You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to add a location to photos on your iPhone. First, open the Photos app and select the photo you want to tag. Tap the Info button, which looks like a small eye in a circle or can be found by swiping up on the photo. On the info screen, tap Add a location. A search bar will appear. Type in the name of the place, like a city, landmark, or specific address. As you type, suggestions will appear. Tap the correct one to select it. The location is now saved to that photo's metadata. To add the same location to multiple photos at once, go back to your photo library view, tap Select in the top right, then choose all the photos you want to tag. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right and choose Add Location. Search for and select the location, and it will be applied to all selected photos instantly. This helps organize your memories by place and makes them easier to find later using the Photos app's Places album. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.